Hello, my name is Dr. Joe Shepard from Shepard Chiropractic. Today we're going to be talking about the BandBell Earthquake Bar. This bar was the best investment I made for 2019. Some of the key features: it's made in Columbus, Ohio. It is made of a hardened ash and composite resin. It's about 80 inches long and weighs only 6 pounds. It can hold up to 300 pounds also. It is specifically designed for oscillating kinetic energy. And what that means is that when a kettlebell or an Olympic plate is attached with an elastic band, it continuously moves during each part of the movement. What this does is help stabilize and increase the blood flow and maintain a constant pressure on all the soft tissue and joint regions. What it also does is improves athletic performance, is ideal for post-rehab and injury prevention. The bar only costs about $289. It is one of the best investments you can make, and I highly recommend it.